Bye-bye! Happy birthday, Patchot. Enjoy your day. God bless. Ingat kayo palagi. See you soon. Kilian Ivy, sana maging mabait ka at mag-aral ka ng mabuti. Sana makinig ka sa papa at mama mo at sa ate mo. Thank you po. Happy birthday, Lian. Salamat kasi naging mabait ka sa aking kaibigan. Thank you.
Birthday, Patchot! Sabi na po ka sa anong bata, masunurin ka na, kasi ka na, and happy sa Diyos. Enjoy your birthday, happy birthday!
Okay. Hello, Lian. Happy birthday. Wishing you a wonderful day filled with joy and laughter. I hope you continue to study hard, be a good girl, and always make your parents proud. Stay kind, responsible, and keep reaching for your dreams. Okay. Masaya ako na magbe-birthday ka na ulit. Naalala ko yung birthday mo noon dito sa atin. Nag-birthday ka sa room natin. Napakasaya natin noon. Once again, happy birthday, Lian. Thank you and God bless you.
Hello, Lian. Happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your day. Wish ko you're always in a good health and be a loving and a good girl. Maging masunurin lagi sa magulang, and salamat sa palaging pag-alala sa akin. I miss you and I love you.
Happy birthday, Lian! Wishing you more birthdays to come. Ipagpatuloy ang pagiging mabuting bata, ha? Enjoy your day. God bless!
Happy birthday, Lian Ivy! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Lian Ivy Patchot.
Happy